Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up bank feeds in QuickBooks Online. First, navigate to the Banking tab on the left-hand menu. Then, click the Connect Account button. You'll be prompted to search for your bank or credit union. This simple process helps automate your bookkeeping and saves you significant time. Once you find your bank, you'll securely enter your online banking username and password. QuickBooks uses this information to establish a secure link. Next, select which specific accounts like checking or savings you want to connect. After confirming, QuickBooks will begin importing your recent transactions, typically the last 90 days. With your bank connected, head to the For Review tab. Here, you'll see all your downloaded transactions. QuickBooks will try to match them to existing entries, but you'll need to categorize the rest. Assign each transaction to the correct income or expense account and add a payee. This ensures your financial reports are precise. After categorizing, simply click Add or Match to accept the transactions into your QuickBooks ledger. Make sure to reconcile your bank accounts regularly to ensure everything balances correctly. Setting up bank feeds automates much of your data entry, significantly reducing manual effort and improving the accuracy of your financial records for better insights.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.